If you want to withdraw your affiliate earnings on Whop, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can cash out safely and correctly. We'll cover how to find your balance, complete identity verification, and then request your payout once everything is approved. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to whop.com and make sure you're on the home feed. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Finance. This is where Whop keeps your balance details, payout tools and verification settings. On the Finance page, click View Activity to check your personal balance activity. If your affiliate commissions have already cleared, you'll see them listed in this table. This step is important because it helps you confirm that your earnings are available before you try to withdraw anything. Now, before you can request a payout, Whop requires identity verification. This helps make sure your account details match official records and protects both you and the platform. So on the Finance page, look for the section that says Verify your identity and click Verify. Whop will ask you to enter your personal information, so fill in your legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID. If you're using a business account, choose the correct business type if applicable. Then enter your phone number and physical address. After that, click Continue. Next, you'll need to prepare a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure the date of birth on your ID matches your Whop account exactly, because mismatched information can cause the verification to fail. At this point, Whop will show a QR code on your desktop screen. Use your smartphone camera to scan that QR code so the verification process can continue on your mobile device. This transfer makes it easier to complete the live identity check. On your phone, take a clear photo of your ID document. Make sure the image is well lit, not blurry, and fully visible. Then complete the liveness face scan by looking into your front-facing camera and following the movement prompts carefully. This usually means turning your head or holding still for a moment while the system confirms that you're a real person. Once everything looks correct, review your information one more time and submit the verification. After your identity is verified and your affiliate balance meets the minimum payout threshold, you're ready to withdraw. Go back to the Finance page and find your active balance overview. Inside that section, click the Withdraw button. This opens the Withdrawal drawer, where you can choose how you want your payout processed. Whop usually gives you two options here. Standard processing can take up to 5 business days, while instant can settle in just a few minutes. Although additional fees may apply, choose the option that works best for you based on how quickly you need the funds. Then enter the exact amount of affiliate earnings you want to withdraw. Be careful here and double-check the number, especially if you're only withdrawing part of your balance. Next, select your configured payout method and choose the target account under Send Payout to. This is where you confirm exactly where the money should go. Once all the details are correct, review everything. One last time, check the amount, the destination, and the processing speed before you continue. When you're sure everything is right, click Payout to process the transfer. After that, Whop will begin sending your affiliate earnings according to the method you selected. And that's it. You now know how to withdraw affiliate earnings on Whop from start to finish. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.